Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zayrel and I am back with another freaking video. Video is a makeup tutorial. Feel me? You got a little chunky glitter going on. Go glitter, go glam. I don't really know. I don't have much to say. I'm just really feeling it. Like, I didn't plan on doing this. This was supposed to be a glitter everything look, but I just stuck with glitter eyes. Like, I'm like, all right, we're gonna do it simple. And I did just that. Like, I did good. This was my first time using chunky glitter, so it did take me a little minute to get the little technical difficulties out the way, but your girl body did just like everything else. I ain't gonna do a lot of talking. I'm gonna just tell you guys to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Like, so without further ado, keep watching and I'm gonna let y'all get right into the video. I already filled in my brows off camera. That's why I look a little weird right now, but I'm gonna show y'all me carving my eyebrows in, but I'm gonna speed up that process. At this moment, I don't even know what the title will be. I wanted to do a glitter everything look, like glitter brows, glitter eyes, glitter lip, but I think it's just going to be a glitter eye and lip video. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I'm going to use my gold chunky glitter and my gold fine thin glitter. And we're going to see where that takes us. Alright, so as for my eyes, I'm going to be using the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. Right now, this is my fave right now. Like, this is my fave right now. Like, you see these colors? We're going to be doing like a little natural look since we're using gold glitter. I don't know. I might do a little color. I might do like orange or something. I never know. So we're just going to wing it. We're going to get with it, see where it goes. Alright, so since I'm going to be using this palette and it's not going to be a lot of talking, and I don't have the name of the colors, but for you guys, I'm going to look up the name of the colors from this palette, and every color I use or like switch and change or whatever, plus the brush that I use, I'm going to put it on the bottom of the screen. Like, the more info, the better, right? Step one, step two. Now I'm gonna conceal and cut out my crease. I don't know which concealer I'm gonna use because I need like a thick consistency. I have the NYX HD Photogenic Studio Concealer Corrector, whatever it is, this one. Then I have the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I think I'm gonna mix these two. We just gonna leave it at that. I think I'm gonna mix these two because I know this Infallible Full Wear is really thick, but then this is a little, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna just mix them and y'all gonna see. So I put it on the back of my hand. These concealers have a smell. This L'Oreal concealer, I don't really know what the smell is, but it's the type of smell if you smell it for too long, it's gonna give you a headache. But it is also like a fruity. It's NYX. I don't know, but I don't like that. I'ma just, hold on. Oh, I'm not gonna like this concealer. This NYX, you know how concealers sit for too long and they start to like grow bubbles or something? Yeah, I don't like that. I don't even think I want to put that on my eye. Yeah, that's out. We just gonna be working with the L'Oreal. All right, let's get into it. So with this eye, I put the concealer, as y'all can see. I looked up, it flipped on the lid, yada, yada, yada. Helped me do my little sharp crease. Okay, now this eye, I don't know. I think this is going to be way too high. Trying to wing this. I'm such like an 80% perfectionist. If I can get it to be perfect, then that's what I want it to be. This little peekaboo right here, I'm angry. First of all, when I mean this is the closest cut crease looking the same that I have ever got. What I am going to start doing is erased where the cut crease is going to be so it don't seep through the concealer, because that's what it's doing. If you can tell, like it's looking a little orangey. Hold up, because that ain't, baby. Now we're going to move on to step 4. I only did like this little shimmer as a layer before my glitter. I want it to be like, if some spots don't get glitter, then you see that little bright white background or whatever. Nope. So we put a little gold shimmer up there from the same palette. And now we're going to get into our gold, the glitter, the fine thin one first. I got them off, you know, the little Instagram things, the little Instagram pages or ads that be up on the screen. They be like, oh, swipe up or shop now, yada, yada. They be like, you could do all of this and you don't got to pay for nothing but shipping. I fell for it. It wasn't no real site, so I thought I was going to be out of my money. This glitter came almost 3 months after I ordered it, and I forgot about it. I got about 6 of them. They some nice colors. They were some nice colors, so I was actually excited. But then when I thought I wasn't going to get it, I was like, ah, fuck. Damn. We're going to get right into applying the glitter as step 5. I'm going to use my lash glue, Kiss lash glue with aloe adhesive. Like this a little bit. Put it up there. Make sure you coat the whole eye. Little quick insight: when I use glitter and like excess glitter like falls out or whatever, take my little spoolie and I brush it away and it comes right off. You gotta spoolie your whole face to remove extra glitter. Then girl, spoolie your whole face. I think I can say I am actually proud of myself that I did a whole glitter eye and glitter is not spilling all over my face. Like, we're gonna move into our chunky glitter. So with chunky glitter, it don't go everywhere. Like, so I'm going to take my glue again. I'm going to put little dots. Oh, that is not dots, girl. Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm going to take it, put it on my hand like that. and do the chocolate glitter. I think that is too many. Yeah, we're gonna have to wipe some of those off. This is not what I thought. I'm gonna fix this and then I'm gonna come back because I'm not really too happy. All right, I really wish I could have showed y'all like me doing this, but it was too much. I'm giving disco ball right now. I kind of had to fix it. It's giving me less disco vibes than it was when I first did it, but I guess you gotta try everything to see how you are at it, right? I really don't know, y'all. Like, I really don't know. I guess I gotta see like how my face is beat. Seeing this, I don't know if I'm gonna do a glitter lip. I'm gonna find my liner, and I think I'm gonna do a black and white liner. I'm mad. This is not a eyeliner look. This has to go. So while I figure out how I get rid of this, I'll be back. Because I'm about to have a vinegar attack. I should have never. Should have. Who told me? Some looks liner is not for, guys, okay? Just always keep that in your head. Every makeup look does not need liner. And I just learned that because this wasn't a liner eye. Bye. All right, y'all. So I fixed it and it took me a moment. Like, I'm gonna just say my eyes are done. I'm about to put on these Glam's little lashes. Do you see them? Guys, my website and product is coming down, but we'll be back soon. Feel me? I'm gonna be back. Let me give y'all a little insight. I do not put my lash glue on the lash band. So out of style. If you are doing that, stop right now and do this. Oh, that's from the black. It's seeping through. All right. Let me just hurry up. I'm letting y'all take in all the good, all the bad. Like, this ain't just no, ooh, perfect video. Nah, y'all gonna see what I go through. Like, the black from my mistake is seeping through, but it's all good. It's all good. No, your girl do not use tweezers. Use my hands. Bloop. Plop it right on up there. Shitting me in just like that. Drag my eye out to make sure that my whole lash is pushed up there. It's done. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me, and 334, which is matte plus poreless. I love a matte look. But then I got the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray because the matte plus the dewy, oh, y'all going to see. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I was gonna do a glitter lip, but I don't know, I wanted to keep it cute. I'm really serving. I'm serving you right now. You said what? Get on my face. Like, straight bad and bougie bitch vibe. Lip liner I'm wearing, I really don't know the name of it. I just know it's like, I think it's chocolate something from the beauty spot store. The gloss I am wearing is the MIX Butter Gloss in number 13. My faves are number 13, number 7, or number 5. Period. I haven't did like a real beat on myself in so long. Like, I do my little natural every day, like brows, foundation, highlight, lashes, go out the door. But this baby. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. But it's your girl Zayrel, and I am out.